Okay, so we have all of our assets for stage 5. It took us a very short amount of time, actually. Because we kept everything in the same chat, we have an excellent image generation AI model. We gave it explicit instructions, we gave it reverse prompting, and then it just caught on and it knew what to do. We got the background. We could pretty easily make 5 more stages at this rate now that we have everything down. But as tempting as that is, and as comfortable as I am doing that, I think we just need to jump in and figure out the programming side of things and see if we can launch this faster. So this is going to be a learning stage for me too, and we may not be able to finish it right away, but we're definitely going to try. And so we have our assets now, and I put them into my own file folder, which you didn't have to watch. Because that's kind of boring to watch. But we're going to go back into Falling Frenzy. We are going to add those files. We're going to say upload from device. We're going to go to the file folder that has them. And that is going to be called new video game. We're going to go to level 5. We're going to select everything. We're going to say open. And now everything that we need to create that project will be sitting in here. And it will be able to think with it and work with it. So these are all the assets. So we have our dream catcher, we have our deep sea diver, we have our tribal guy, this guy right here. Oh, I'm so tempted. We have the farmer for the first stage catching the cows, and we have our mad scientist catching the beakers. Yeah, I'm so tempted to just make 5 more levels because this is so much fun. But sometimes you got to do what's uncomfortable, and let's jump into figuring out if we can do the programming. Okay, so I need your help. So we need to do the programming for Godot, and I feel like we have all of our artistic elements in place to be able to create a video game. With 5 different levels. So, point me in the right direction. What's the next step? What do we do? How do I program this in the Kaboom style and have every stage to be a little bit different than every other stage in terms of gameplay? But where do we start? How do we start with coding? Give me an idea. And we just did download Claude Code. So with that, we can potentially use that to help us code. But let's do this. Let's see what it comes up with. I probably could have asked this. Actually, you know what? This is a more important question right now. So let's ask this again. So I'm going to copy this prompt. I interrupted the answer. I'm going to ask it again, but I'm going to ask it at the Opus level. So let's do Opus 4.7. I don't want to waste all my credits. I'm going to use extra thinking. Yep, that looks good. Okay. And then I'm going to ask it, and it might need to do a little bit extra thinking, so I'm just going to pause it while it does that. Okay, good. So we got a pretty good answer here. And so it looks like before touching any art, you build the entire game with colored rectangles. Red square is your farmer, brown square is the hay cart, white squares fall from the top. Feels wrong at the first stop, but because you have all these gorgeous assets ready to go, but do it anyways. Kaboom style games live or die on how the sliding feels, how fast the character moves, and how forgiving the catch hitbox is. Okay, good. And how satisfying the caught it moment is. So, if you spend a day making your farmer sprite animate perfectly and then discover the movement feels sluggish, you have to redo everything. Prototype is in gray boxes. Okay, good. So now we need to download Godot 4 from godotengine.org. So that's perfect. Let's do that. Okay. Good, we'll download that. Okay. Then, good. Create a new project in project settings, display window, set viewport width 920, height 1080, stretch mode canvas items keep under display. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Would it help if I connect Claude Code with an MCP connection to Godot 4 and just dictate what I want it to do? Give me answer on this. Brief answer on this. Okay, good. This one I don't need a ton of effort, but I would like it to be at the Opus level. Okay. Oh, so not clogged code, Claude Code. Sometimes it doesn't quite get what I said, but it's okay. We fix that very easily. Code needs to be capital so it knows what I'm talking about. Oh, and an MCP connection is a very involved, fancy connection that instantly it's like having it be a part of what you're working with. Not really worth it. There's no official MCP server. Okay. Community ones exist but are rough, and setting them up would burn a weekend before you write your first line of gameplay code. What actually works better is run Claude Code inside your Godot project folder. Okay. It reads and writes your GD scripts directly on disk. You describe what you want, it edits the files, and you Alt-Tab to Godot, hit play, and Godot auto-loads the changed scripts. That's 95% of the MCP dream with zero setup. Okay, good. Alright, well then in that case, we should set up our Claude Code. But let's go here first. It's making let's download. Okay, for now, we're not going to donate. And let's see, did we get it already? Let's check our downloads. Alright. Not yet. Oh, okay. Alright, let's try it one more time. But this is exciting. We're getting into the programming stuff now. Here we go. So, don't know which of these to download exactly. Windows 86 64 or Windows 86 62. So I'm going to open this side tab here. Sometimes I have this, and I'm going to ask it, which of these downloads should I get for my computer in my situation? Okay, and then it's going to answer. Taking a look, gathering details, personal context. Okay, for your situation, looking into Godot as potential engine to digitize. Oh no, it thinks I'm using it for a different project. 4.7, 86, 64. So it's just the top one. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, good. All right, so we're on our way with the programming. So far, so good. And I think I will catch you guys in the next episode.